Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Page number 352. And exercise will be 23E. The topic is similar shapes. Similar shapes. Open the books because I want to read from the book. Two shapes are similar if one is an enlargement of the other. Two shapes are similar if one is the enlargement of the other. Corresponding angles of similar shapes are equal. If the angles are equal and only the lines are increased, only the lines are expanded, this is called similar shape. These shapes are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Like this, you can see A and B, where there is all sides are similar ones and the angles are equal. Here is 10 and 15, 12 and 18, 8 and 12 centimeters, 4 and 6 centimeters. What is the sequence between these? In these, the ratio of their corresponding sides are 2 and 3. Ratio of their corresponding sides are 2 and 3. Let me take this page on your screen, then we will feel easy to understand. Can you see it now easily?
Yes.
Okay, now look. Two shapes are similar. Look here. The ratio is 2. Ratio is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means if it is 2, this is 3. If it is 4, this will be 6. If it is 5, this is more, means 1 ratio more. 10, 15, 8, 12, and 12, 18. Do you understand what is the ratio means?
I didn't understand.
Okay, look this. The first one, 4, 4. So 4 ratio 6. This is a sign for ratio. This is same like division. This ratio is same like division.
Yeah.
So the simplest form, this is 4 over 6. Simplest form will be 2 over 3. Look here, 2 over 3 ratio. 10
Yeah.
and 15. 10, 15. Simplest form, 2 over 3. 12, 18. 12 over 18. Simplest form, 2 over 3. 8, 12. What will be the simplest form for 8 over 12? 2 over 3.
23.
For all, the ratio is 2 and 2 over 3. 2 ratio 3. The linear scale factor is 2 over 3 over 2 because the length in shape B are 3 over 2 of the length in shape A. Means we are comparing from A to B. If we compare from B to A, This will be 3 over 2. Will become opposite. Right?
I didn't understand, sir.
Yeah. We are comparing 12 and 13. If we compare 18 and like this, 18 and 12, 18 over 12.
Yeah.
So what will be the simplest ratio?
So only like this, put them
3 over
3
2.
over opposite. If we move, we compare from A to B, 2 over 3. If we compare from B to A, that will be opposite, 3 over 2.
Yeah. So the ratio of any number is, if you compare it from small to big, is 2 over 3. From big to small, 3 over 2.
Who said to you big to small and small to big?
No, you mean from 12,
There is
8
two
to 12?
shapes.
Yeah.
There is two shapes. Don't decide it is big or small. It can be different in the different equations. Don't make the rule
Yeah.
like that. Okay, now these two shapes are similar. Find x and y. These shapes are similar. We need to find x and y. Where is x? Here is x. And where is y? This is y. Y is equals to, and here 9. What should we do? First, we will find out the ratio. First, we should find out the ratio. Look for two corresponding sides where we know the lengths, like this, 12 and 15. 12 and 15. AE corresponding to FJ, AE corresponding to FJ. And the length is 12 and 15. 12 and 15. The scale factor will be 15 over 12. 15 over 12. Scale factor, this is called scale factor, 15 over 12. Scale factor is 15 over 12. To find GF from the length, what is the scale factor now? 1.23, 1.25. Is it clear, scale factor?
No,
Scale factor is clear or not?
no, mister.
Scale factor, this is the comparative value here. In this diagram, this AE is 12. In this diagram, F and J is 15. We
Okay.
want to compare because we want to find X from here. First, we will find out the scale factor. And the scale factor 15, like this, we will find out 15 divided by 12.
It's
15
not
divided by 12. This is called scale factor.
okay. Now it's okay. I understand.
Anyone have confusion about scale factor? Because this is the most important thing in these questions. Everyone clear about it? Okay.
I think yes.
To find x from the length given to BA. BA is 10. So x will be equal to scale factor into AB. Scale factor into AB, the value which is given. The value which is given.
Given.
It is like that, you can say it is formula. The unknown value is equals to scale factor multiplied by the value to the corresponding side. This corresponding side is 10. This is 10. And the scale factor is 1.25. This will be equal to x. Now x will be 12.5. If this is 10, with the help of scale factor, that value should be 12.5. That value should be 12.5.
We'll multiply them, right?
Yeah, sure, multiply. We are multiplying here.
Okay.
Okay, now find y from the length. This is 9 and this is y. So hi, this is y.
Hence,
Because
y
we find
multiplied
the, let me speak. We find the scale factor from here to here. 12 over 15 over 12. This, for example, A, this, for example, B. We find out the scale factor from diagram A to diagram B. So that's why here x is equals to x to A to B, x to 10. X equal to 10 multiply scale factor. Here will be the opposite because we are now moving from here to here. Understand? So this 9 will be equal to 9 equal to scale factor multiplied by y. This is technical thing. If we move from here to here, we will follow the rule. We will follow the rule. Okay? Like, let me explain it again. Here, x is equals to this x. X is equals to 10 multiplied by scale factor 1.25. So here, with the same rule from this side to this side, we are moving. 9 will be equal to y into scale factor 1.25. Is it clear? Now, because y is multiplied by 1.25, so other side it will divide. Two things you should keep in your mind. The first thing, the scale factor direction. You are getting scale factor direction from here to here. So whenever you compare, the values comparison must be with the regarding scale factor. X and equal to this comparative value multiplied by scale factor. Here the comparative value is given. So the other side y. So 9 will be equal to y into scale factor. Now we will do some practice. It will be more clear, inshallah. Now, exercise 23. Exercise 23. The diagram are drawn to scale. What is the linear scale factor of the enlargement in each? Now we need the linear scale factor. Okay, the first one, A. Let me take the pictures for this because it will be easy for me to explain. Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, this side, length of this side from here length of this side is, what is the length of this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this 2.
2.
Is it right?
So the ratio is 2:4.
The ratio is 4:2.
4.
Simplest form.
Sir, why did we put sir 4 before 2?
We
John,
start
John, two.
from B or from
Same.
A.
If you move from here to here, the ratio will be 2:4. If you move from here to here, this will be 4:2.
Oh, I understood. Yeah, I understood.
Okay. So the factor is, scale factor is,
Simple
we
as
will
4.
divide, yes.
scale factor will be 4/2 equal.
2.
2.
See how when we multiply 2 by 2 equal 4, this will become double. The same here. So scale factor is
2.
2.
2.
Look this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 4. How many should be this side?
2.
2. Look here 2. I hope you understand it.
Inshallah.
Scale factor, we will find out the length of one side and the comparative side. After that, we will find out the ratio. This is called scale factor. Like here in the second, from here to here, how many? What is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Length is
This
6.
is total.
Here, huh?
If it's you, I thought you were asking separately.
What?
Total is
Your
6.
voice is cutting. This is how many boxes in it? 6. And here 2. So what will be the scale factor? 6/2 equal 3, or 3:1. 3 is the scale factor and the ratio is 3 and 1, or 1:3, same.
Sir, we don't have to write 1, right?
Hmm?
We don't have to write 1.
This is scale factor. In the scale factor, we will find out the value. This is ratio and this is scale factor.
Sir, at this exercise, what we need to find? We only need to find the ratio and the scale
See this,
factor, yes?
these diagrams are drawn to scale. What is the linear scale factor of the enlargement? Here in question number 1, linear scale factor we are finding only. Okay.
So we need to find the linear scale factor and the ratio.
In this question, very simple. It is written here. If you say 20 times, it will be the same. It will not change. Okay, now, are these pairs of shapes similar? If so, give the scale factor. If not, give a reason. Means we will see that the scale factor is available or not. If it is, ratios means diagrams are similar, we will find out the scale factor. If not similar, we cannot find. So we will give the reason why it is not similar. Okay, tell me, this is similar or not similar? These two diagrams in A. These two diagrams are similar or not similar? No one is speaking. Where are you?
Sir, when we speak, you say to us, we speak.
These two diagrams are similar or not similar? You know what is the meaning of similar? Like this.
Like, yes. متشابه.
Yes, mutashabih. These are similar. Why? Because the ratio between 3 and 12 is 3:12. Or the simplest form 1:4. And ratio between 5 and 20. It will be 1:4. Correct? Means both the ratios
Yes.
are same. So what is the scale factor?
Okay.
Scale factor will be 20 over 5 equal 4. Or
4
if you want the scale factor with 12 and 3, the same will be.
is
the-
equal to 4.
Yes. Scale factor,
12 divided by 3 is equal to.
yes. With the help of anyone you can find out. You can use this or you can use this. But it is not like this. You will use 12 and 15. 12 and 5. It will be wrong. Okay. Now, check B. Question 2B. Everyone have the book? Tell me, it is the diagrams are similar or not similar? First, we will see the ratios 5, ratio 12, 15. It will become 1, 3. Then we will see 12, ratio 22. If we write this into the simplest, it will be 6, 11. 6, 11. This and this not same. This ratio and this ratio is not same.
Not so.
So they are not same.
So these are not similar. So means we can say that these diagrams
Not similar.
are not similar because the ratio of
Sir, question A,
Five.
the ratio was 1:4.
is different. Yes. The ratio is 1:4:1:4.
Okay,
And
I
the scale
understand.
factor is 4. Okay, now question number 3. Explain these triangles are similar or not.
Because it is equilibrium.
Yes, this diagram, these are not equilaterals. Equilateral mean all the sides equal. These are not equilaterals.
Okay, okay.
This one is 6 centimeters. This one is 5 centimeters.
And the up is
A,
A and B, C.
C. And the other one is
Is P 15,
18.
70, 18.
15 and 70
70.
Q R P. Okay. Can you tell me these are the similar or not?
Yes, it's similar because the interdegree is 70 and the other one is 70.
Okay. Why explain why these triangles are similar? A. Because
The ratio
5
is the same.
ratio is the
Ratio is
same.
the same.
5, 15. 5, 15, 1,
Equal 1.
3.
3.
And
And also
6,
6 and
18, 1.
18 and 3.
Give the ratios. B. These are the ratios. 1, 3 ratio. Which angle corresponding to angle C? Which angle is corresponding to angle C? Which is angle C corresponding? R. C angle is corresponding to R. This is the sign for angle. This is the sign for angle. Okay. B. Which side corresponding to side QP? QP. QP and BA. These are correspondings. These are the corresponding sides. PQ is corresponding to AB. Is it clear? PQ. Which is the opposite side for PQ in the other diagram?
R.
PQ and AB. These are the opposite sides with each other, which we compare. 5 compare by 15, 6 compare by 18.
18.
So that's why PQ is corresponding to AB. And AC is corresponding to PR. Or opposite PR is corresponding to AC. Is it clear?
No, mister.
Who is saying no? Can you see these two diagrams, ABC triangle and
Yes, yes.
PQR triangle?
Yes.
Okay, opposite of QR, which is the line? Which line is opposite to QR in the
B
other
and
triangle?
B and C.
B and C. This is corresponding. So which one will be P and Q opposite?
C and R.
C and R.
Opposite of B and Q.
C and R. C here and R here. Opposite of this line, PQ. Which one is corresponding to this line? In this diagram,
AC, AC,
AC,
No, BA.
BA.
BA or AB?
AB.
AB.
BA or ABC. These are
Okay.
the
No, from B.
Okay, I hope you understand the
No.
lesson, inshallah.
We'll stop here, mister.
Goodbye.
Yes, because we have not more time to explain the next.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Start saying the next page.
Goodbye.
See you inshallah next.
Good morning.